Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, So Luxury Chick. Today I'll be doing a new video on my mini pochette in the damier ebene print. I've had this little piece for a while now. It's probably been, I would say, probably about 2 years or more. And I've carried this throughout like a lot of seasons throughout my life. This is definitely something I haven't babied. I've definitely thrown it in bags. I mean, sometimes it's gotten lost. I feel like sometimes I've even almost broke it, but it's still, it's still standing and it still looks really good for the condition that I've put it in at times. So this mini pochette could be carried like this, which I think is really cute because this can be worn like as a mini purse, like the smallest purse you'll ever see. But definitely like a mini purse, and this could definitely still turn heads. It's really cute. And then it could also be worn just like as a wristlet. So you could just wear it just like this. If you're out shopping, just wear it across your wrist like so and carry it. And both ways are very convenient. When I have this piece in my bag, I usually have it like this, just so the chain doesn't get caught up in anything else. But if I'm just carrying this into the store, then I probably will carry it like the purse, just so it can add a little more style and be cuter. So this mini pochette features the gold hardware, which there is wear on my gold hardware for this piece. And as you can see, I don't know if you'll be able to see too well, but there is a few scratches. Let's see if it'll focus. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's focusing great for you guys. However, if you look at this, the gold still looks shiny and vibrant, which I love about it. And like, this still has like a little tarnishing on it, but it still looks good. Then I have the zipper. So one thing that I love about Louis Vuitton pieces is the zipper. Like, it seems like their zippers are really buttery and smooth, and I like that. That just reminds me of quality bags, quality pieces, when you can just hear that zipper go like butter and you don't have to worry about, fighting with the zipper to get it across how you want it to be. So inside of this can fit a lot. It can definitely fit more than you probably would expect, because initially I feel like this is like a mini bag, like especially for like the 90s or like back in the day, this could definitely go as like a mini bag, and just it's really nice. So in here I have a lot of lip glosses, as you can see. So I have the Tower 28 gloss. I love this. So I'm gonna dump everything out to show you guys what all fits in here, but this is not even full capacity, so it could fit even more than this. So this is everything I had in the mini pochette, and it still was kind of like down here. So you can, like, if you get this is really functional for you, like if you're a makeup girl or you're like a lip girl like me, and you want to carry small things in your bag and you don't want them to possibly waste in your bag, or you don't want them to like put imprints in your bag just by the shape of them. This is definitely a good option to go for if you're into the Louis Vuitton mini pochettes. I do know that recently they went up in pricing. I'm not sure if I would pay as much as it is in price right now, but back when I got it, it was much cheaper, and I definitely thought it was worth it. Then of course, just like any of the other Louis Vuitton pieces, it was very hard to get. So I just got lucky, because I'm kind of persistent when it comes to something I want. Like if it's a bag or if it's a wallet or anything, I go for it, and I don't give up. So that's probably why I got these pieces that are really rare, and when they were hard to get. So the inside features the red interior, and I don't know if you guys can see that great, but it's that bright red, that bright vintage red. It almost reminds you of like Cartier pieces in like their box and their bags that they give out when you purchase an item from Cartier. So this is kind of how it looks. and it's clean. I feel like I kept it pretty clean, which I'm proud of. I'm glad that I carry a lot of lip glosses and lipsticks in here, and none of them ever wasted and caused staining. So like if I wanted to resell this, I probably could still get a good amount for it. So that's everything that fits into this mini pochette. So I'm gonna put everything back and kind of show you guys where it sits with everything in here. I just have a lot of lip glosses and a few hair ties. So this is where it's sitting currently with everything that I just showed you guys. Everything in there, this is where it's sitting. So as you can see, there's still a lot of space for you to fit more if you wanted to. And it doesn't cause a wilting in the zipper, which I believe I talked about before in my videos. I don't like when it wilts up, because eventually if it stays that way for long, it will stay that way, and I don't know if you can really undo that. I like to really keep my zipper clean looking and straight. I don't like to put too many things in my bags or in my mini pochette or wallets or wristlets that I have that will mess up the zipper. So if I had to rate this, I would definitely give this a good rating. Probably an 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10 really. It is something that I would add into my collection, or if you're just starting out with Louis Vuitton, this is definitely a piece I would recommend. It's small, but it's very functional. You can use it many different ways. You can use it even as a wallet. I've used it as that before. Or just anywhere that you need to go that's like a quick pop in, pop out. You can carry your things in this and it'll work just fine. And it's small, practical, and it's very cute too and stylish. I hope that you guys enjoyed my video on the mini pochette in the damier ebene, and I hope that you guys subscribe and comment below. Thank you.